A used Camaro for under $20,000. I have
Ooh.
picked one out. I'm going to let Dane pick one out too, and we will see which one is the best. To get us in the Camaro mindset, let's look at a classic Camaro first. This is by Rolling Museums. Link will be in the description. Oh my gosh.
Now we're
This is my
talking.
favorite year Camaro. Look at that.
Now
The
we're talking.
classic. You like that one, Dane?
Is that a 67? Yeah,
That's
yeah,
this.
yeah. That's what we're talking about there. Yeah, I want an
man.
RS SS like that. That's so sick.
Oh, he put the new engine in there.
Yeah, he did. And he put
I
an
love
LT in
that.
it. That's okay though.
No, I want it like that.
Oh man.
I don't want no carburetor.
Red.
I need my OBD.
Oh, interior still like stock too, and that's pretty. What a nice
right.
car.
That's nice, man.
I'll take
Rolling
two,
Museums. Rolling Museums, you need to sponsor our show and give me this Camaro.
Nice work. Yeah, man. Hopefully they built this thing. Man, this thing looks nice.
Unbelievable. That is nice. Then you might as well buy two of them at that point.
Here's right. But here's the thing, though, people. These cars can look really good in video. You have to see them in person. Do not go and buy one of these cars without seeing it in person first. There's a lot of things that are hidden. I have heard so many horror stories from people buying stuff on auction sites. Barrett Jackson, Mecum. Stuff looks really good rolling across the auction block and really good in photos, but then it's like there's wiring issues, there's whatnot. They look good on the outside, but underside they were covering up rust and whatnot. Check these things out, no matter how good they look. I'll leave it at that.
Good point. Good point, Dane. Let me show you one more from them before we look at the one I picked.
Yeah, this one's sick.
Blue.
That is my favorite Camaro.
2018?
Yeah, the ZL1 specifically, the Gen 6 ZL1. That's my favorite one.
Damn, look at that.
Yeah. That car right there is like what, 50?
I don't know.
60?
Let's see. That's the ZL1 too.
Yeah. Makes about 630, 40 horse from the factory. Pretty awesome.
That's a nice looking Camaro.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let me show you the one that I found for under $20,000. Now, I think this might be the best one in the country right now.
That's not a bad deal right there. If you like the Gen 5.
2012, $18,800. Now, look, I don't know these people. I'm not promoting their site, but I'm just window shopping. But yeah, look at that. Boy, you know it.
Oh, yeah, it's got to have a manual.
You already know.
Oh, yeah, now we're talking MJ.
And this is a one owner. And let's see, look at the pictures. Look, this thing is pretty clean.
Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad.
Not bad at all. So this is a one owner. I looked at the Carfax. Now, this is, I usually tell people to make sure that all the maintenance has been done. But for this Carfax, I noticed there was like one oil change at like 1,500 miles. So I'm thinking that the person probably wanted to change it after the break-in. Like some people wanted to break in for 500 or 1,000 miles, change the oil to get the little bit of manufacturing debris out. And then they'll put the oil in and then they'll start changing it at a regular interval. But this one had no oil changes after that. But I'm thinking the person probably changed their own oil. Because there's no way they didn't change the oil in 75,000 miles. I'm thinking they probably just changed it themselves. I mean, it's not that hard to change your own oil. I know I change the oil in my Camrys religiously at 5,000 miles. So I'm thinking he probably changed it himself. But yeah, there you have it. One owner, cherry. Look at that. Look, it's got the blue. I like it's got the blue emblem in the front.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's cool. That didn't come like that, right?
I think they did.
You think they did?
I think they did.
All right, but yeah, there you go. A little bit older, but this may be one of the best Camaros for sale. Under 20,000 in the whole country.
Yep.
I think sometimes you got to really jump on these. Like, if I wanted to buy this car, what I would do is I would go on Craigslist and find a mobile mechanics, one with some experience, ASCs and everything, and I would pay him to go look at it before I bought it. And if he said it was fine, He looked it up and down, found a couple problems, no big deal. As long as there's no big deal problems, I would be comfortable with having this car shipped to me.
Oh
As
yeah,
long as I knew that I had a very good mechanic to go look at it first. Do you agree with that, Dane?
I do. Yeah, 100%.
All right. Well, let's see if Dane can find one himself. I already found the best one, I think.
All right, let's
But
see if we
we'll
can find a Gen 6 for under 20. So
Gen nationwide. All
do
right.
a 2016 and for a minimum, and then 2025 for the max.
2016. All right.
Early
And
yeah,
it's
24
got to
is
be
fine.
under 20,000.
Under 20, so max 20,000.
Do you
Might
want
as
a
well move the
minimum?
minimum up so we don't get ones that are like, yeah. There you go.
All right.
And then go down. And it's got to be a manual, man. It's got to be a sports car. So can you select transmission on this?
Let's see. I think I can.
Transmission. There we go. Manual. Boom.
Manual, of course. Do you want a special color, Dane?
Nope.
No.
Let's just see what's out there, man. Hit go.
Well, you want a V8 or I know you want a V8, right?
See, I don't know, because that turbo 4-cylinder can be a really good value. Definitely not the V6. Do the
V6.
i4. Do the i4
There's
and
only
the V8. Yep.
under 20,000 like that in the whole country.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see what
So
we got. Sort lowest price first.
there we go.
All right.
Dang, look at that white one up top, on top right. So
like
is
that
this
one?
one got the track pack? That's just a standard one.
So this got
Only
to be
27,000 miles. Oh man, I'd be getting this guy right now.
Then you would get a
Yeah, this is the
4-cylinder?
1LT. See, the 1LT's got the track pack. So this one's got the better brakes and suspension and the handling. The inline 4 can make like a little over 300 horse with some tuning. Boom. That's a good track car right there. Or just
Dane, I'm
cruiser,
shocked. I'm shocked that you would get the 4-cylinder turbo.
Well, my budget's $20,000.
But you would still get it. But you don't hate that.
40, I'd be getting a different car.
But you don't hate that engine?
No, I don't.
Wow, I'm surprised. I didn't think you would say that.
No. Yeah, if this is my budget's 20, you're probably not going to find a V8. But this car is a very, very, very good chassis and platform for going fast through corners, canyon roads, around tracks, autocrosses. So if you want a performance coupe sports car, this is a really, really good value for the money.
Oh.
And that 4-cylinder is a peppy little motor, and it's got potential to make more if you're willing to do a little bit of tuning. So throw an intake,
really?
exhaust, and run E85 in it, and you can get that thing bumped up, 350, 400 horse.
You think so? 350, 400?
I know so. It makes almost 300 out of the box.
Oh, well, shut my mouth wide open.
I know. It wasn't that long ago. Like when we were in high school, Camaros only made 170 horsepower.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. This thing is light years ahead of where we were at in high school 30 years ago. Or 25 years ago when we were in high school.
All right. Well, there you go. 2020 Camaro 1LT, about $20,000 with a manual transmission. And Dane says that you can soup them up. You can soup the horsepower up. Okay.
It doesn't take much either. I mean, turbo vehicles, it doesn't take much to get more power out of them.
So would you put a different turbo on there, or just different?
Basically, you can run flex in these anyways, but E85 is going to have a lot more cooling. So it'll be safer to run more boost pressure. So you can kind of crank the boost up a little bit, get a little bit more aggressive with the timing. And then if you put a freer flowing intake and exhaust on, that goes with anything. It just helps the engine be more free, and it kind of frees up some horsepower that would otherwise be getting choked out.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, there you have it, people. 2 Camaros for under $20,000. Anybody in the chat? You guys in the chat, you want us to shop for anything in particular?